Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Caleb in Ohio on this Galaxy DX959b Deluxe Edition. Caleb, got you ready to go, bud? This is AM sideband radio. You've got your noise blanker A&L, noise filter here, clarifier, talk back on and off. You push it to activate it and then you can variably adjust it. Let's start with RF power all the way down on this single final radio, 25 watt slug. You gotta set it 1 watt all the way down, that way if you decide to run a amp you got full adjustability. 5 watts right there all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 12 bird, 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 30 watts PEP. Alright Caleb, we won't get it up to you, but I appreciate it. If you're friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.